Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Here I'm just going to show you guys how to make Nigeria egusi soup. As you can see, this is goat meat. It's already washed, ready to cook. Then I have dry fish because I like fish in my soup. And here is a stockfish, okporoko, normally called stockfish. And I have some smoked turkey. I like the turkey in my soup because of the flavor it gives, it's very tasty. Then I have dry crayfish, then 3 cups of egusi. Then I have sweet pepper, 3 tatashe, 3. Depends what I'm cooking. So 3 cups of egusi, 3 tatashe, and 2 Maggi cubes. This is uziza seed. And I have 3 onions. I've already blended one here. I have 3 fresh tomatoes, and I have 3 fresh pepper. Then I have red oil here, palm oil. Then I have my crayfish all-purpose. I love crayfish purpose, and I have some leaf here, ugu leaf. I like ugu leaf, and later I will add bitter leaf with ugu together and use it to make it. You can still use spinach, you can use bitter leaf as you want it, but I like ugu leaf, so I'm using ugu leaf today mixed with little bitter leaf. Okay, I'm excited. Let's get started. So I've washed this meat now. I just want to put it in the pot, you see, to cook a bit. Then as I'm doing that, I'm just going to add a bit of seasoning in the pot. Just 1 spoon of seasoning, then put a little onions here, then just add a bit of water here to cook. This is the meat. I just boiled the meat now, and this is the tomato and a sweet pepper. I just blended together. And this is uziza seed after you blend it, look like this. And this is crayfish after blending. I just want to add oil to the pot. Let's see. Just going to add the tomatoes to the pot now. See the egusi, so I'm just going to add the onions I've cut. Put the onions, then the blended crayfish. Just going to match it together. So I'm doing this, you see, match it together very well with the onions, uziza and crayfish. That's how I love cooking it. So as I'm doing it, just add a little water. Just mix it together. Just keep mixing it together. after mixing it, that is how it looks. Yeah, I'm just going to put a Maggi too. Then I'm just going to put it inside. Salt. This is salt. Then cover it for some time. So after 10 minutes, we are just going to check. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.